Hello everyone, welcome back to Road to Ownership. We're here to further our knowledge in real estate. Today our title is From House to Home, Personalization Ideas. Before we continue, please take a second and subscribe to this channel. It will be greatly appreciated. In today's episode, we're going to delve into a topic that is close to the heart of every homeowner: personalization. What is personalization, you ask? It's the art of transforming a house into a home, a place that reflects who you are, your tastes, and your lifestyle. It's about making a space uniquely yours. We'll explore why personalization matters. It's not just about aesthetics, but also about creating a comfortable, enjoyable, and functional living space. We'll also share a myriad of ways to personalize your home, from simple and budget-friendly to grand and luxurious. So, are you ready to embark on this personalization journey? Stay tuned as we delve into the exciting world of home personalization. To start off, it's crucial to understand what personalization means in the context of a home. Personalization is the art of tailoring your living space to reflect not just your needs, but also your unique personality, lifestyle, and aesthetic preferences. It's about transforming a mere structure of bricks and mortar into a warm, welcoming, and comfortable space that truly feels like home. Now imagine walking into a room that's been curated to echo your tastes, interests, and experiences. It's like a visual autobiography, where every piece of furniture, every decor item, every color scheme tells a story about you. That's the magic of personalization. But it's not just about aesthetics. Personalization also involves arranging your space in a way that complements your daily routines and lifestyle. For instance, if you're an avid reader, having a cozy reading nook might be a personal touch that enhances your quality of life at home. Personalization isn't a one-size-fits-all concept. It's as varied as people themselves. It could be as simple as painting a wall in your favorite color, to something more elaborate like designing a custom-built kitchen to suit your culinary adventures. The key lies in understanding your own style, needs, and preferences, and reflecting these in your home in a way that is uniquely you. Now that we've established what personalization is, let's explore why it's important. You might be asking, why should I bother with personalization? Isn't a house just a house? Well, think about it this way. How do you feel when you walk into a space that reflects your tastes, your interests, and your personality? Probably pretty good, right? That's because personalization is more than just aesthetics. It's about creating a space where you feel comfortable, satisfied, and ultimately at home. Studies have found there's a strong correlation between home personalization and happiness. For instance, a survey conducted in 2022 reported that 80% of individuals who personalized their homes experienced a significant boost in their overall satisfaction and happiness levels. That's a whopping 4 out of every 5 people. Personalization can also have profound impacts on our mental health. In a world that's often stressful and chaotic, our homes serve as our sanctuaries. By personalizing our spaces, we can create an environment that supports our well-being and promotes peace of mind. Moreover, personalization allows us to express our individuality. It's an opportunity to showcase our unique tastes and preferences, to tell our own story through the items and designs we choose. This not only makes us feel understood and accepted, but also deepens our connection with our homes. Clearly, personalization has a profound influence on how we perceive and enjoy our homes. But how exactly can we personalize our homes? Stay tuned to find out. Personalizing your home can be an exciting journey of self-expression and creativity. It's about infusing your living space with your personality, your stories, and your unique style. So where do we start? Firstly, let's talk about the walls. They are the canvas of your home. A fresh coat of paint in your favorite color can dramatically change the mood of a space. You could opt for calming blues for a serene bedroom, or perhaps bold reds for a lively living room. Don't be afraid to experiment with different textures and techniques like rag rolling or sponging to add a touch of uniqueness. Now, furniture isn't just for function. It's a major player in establishing the style of your home. Whether you're drawn to the clean lines of modern design or the ornate detailing of traditional pieces, your furniture choices should reflect your taste. Mixing and matching styles can also create an eclectic atmosphere that is entirely your own. Artwork is another powerful way to personalize your home. It could be a painting from a local artist you admire, a photograph you took on a memorable trip, or even a child's drawing framed for posterity. These pieces add layers of meaning and depth to your space, making it distinctly yours. Personal mementos have a special place in a home, and they serve as a constant reminder of the people, places, and experiences that are important to you. It could be a collection of seashells from your beach vacations, a vintage clock passed down through generations, or a set of books that have shaped your worldview. Display these items prominently, and they'll add a unique and personal touch to your home. Remember, the key to personalizing your home is cohesiveness. While it's important to showcase your individuality, try to ensure that your chosen elements complement rather than clash with each other. This way, you'll create a harmonious environment that is both unique to you and welcoming to others. With these ideas in mind, you're well on your way to transforming your house into a home that truly represents you. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding what home personalization is to exploring why it's important and how to do it. Let's quickly recap. Home personalization is about making your space uniquely yours. It can involve anything from choosing your own color schemes to deciding on furniture style and arrangement. We've also discovered that personalization isn't just about aesthetics. It's also about creating a space that feels comfortable, functional, and most importantly, feels like home. We've shared some personalization ideas you can try, such as incorporating family heirlooms, displaying personal collections, or even creating a dedicated space for your hobbies. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to personalize your home. It's all about expressing yourself, your style, and your interests. So what are you waiting for? Start your personalization journey today and transform your house into a home that truly represents you. One last thing. If there is a topic you would like us to cover, please add it in the comment section. Also take a moment to share and like this video. Thank you.